Hello there. This is a review of creating a chart in an Excel spreadsheet. This is using Excel in the desktop app. So I just pulled up a random Excel spreadsheet that I had with some data in it. You'll remember that we used our fill handle document today to do the same thing. I'm just going to go over it so that you have it and you can replay it if you need to figure out how to insert your chart, which you'll need to do for activity 4. So first I'm going to select the range where our chart is going to go. Okay, so I chose B3 through C12, and this is actually typing test averages of students that I had last year. So then you would go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and go to Recommended Charts, and the activity is going to ask you to put in a clustered column chart. That one just happens to be the recommended one this time, so you select that, click OK, and there is your chart. If you're using the desktop version, you can go ahead and change the chart title simply by clicking on it and changing it to what you like. So this is average words per minute. And I also showed you today that you can change the way your chart looks by using these 3 buttons over here. So if we click on the paintbrush, we can change the style. And I know I'm a little off the screen, but you can choose any one that you like. I kind of like the ones that have the numbers inside the bars so we can see what they are.